Building a support escalation flow without manual effort is easier than you think, and it can save you loads of time while improving customer satisfaction. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through how to create an automated support escalation flow using software. No manual intervention needed. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share a special free trial link for the software we're using, exclusive to viewers of my channel. Let's jump right in. First, you need to identify the key stages in your support process. This includes how you classify issues when they come in, whether it's simple, medium, or urgent. Having these clear categories will help streamline the automation. You don't want to escalate everything automatically, so defining this upfront will set your flow in motion. Once you've identified your categories, set up your triggers. This means specifying what makes an issue go from one level to the next. For example, if a customer submits a request about a technical problem and it's marked as urgent, this should trigger an automatic escalation to a higher tier of support, without anyone needing to manually review it. This is the power of automation. You don't need a person to move the ticket, your system does it for you. Now let's talk about routing. Once a ticket escalates, you need to ensure it's directed to the right person or team. This is where having the right software in place is crucial. The software we'll be using helps you automate this by setting up predefined routing rules based on the issue type, urgency, or even the customer's history. This means the right expert gets assigned to the right case instantly, and we can't forget about notifications. When an issue is escalated, you want the team to be notified automatically, along with relevant details, again without anyone having to do it manually. Setting up automated notifications keeps everyone in the loop and makes sure issues aren't slipping through the cracks. You'll also want to set up a system for feedback at each stage. This is crucial for ensuring that your escalation process is efficient and your customers are happy with the support they're receiving. Once the escalation flow is complete, customers can receive a survey automatically, giving you valuable insights to keep improving the process. Finally, review and optimize your flow. Once it's set up, it's important to track performance. Are tickets being handled faster? Are customers more satisfied? Is there any part of the flow where issues get stuck? With the right software, you can track this data in real time and adjust accordingly. To make this even easier, I've tried out several popular options for building this kind of flow, and the software we're using today is my top recommendation. If you want to follow along with this tutorial, you can access an exclusive free trial of this software through the link in the description below. It's free for a limited time, but only for viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. The key takeaway from today's tutorial is that building a support escalation flow without manual effort is possible, and it can really improve your efficiency. By setting up triggers, automating routing, using notifications, gathering feedback, and continuously optimizing, you can create a smooth, hands-off system. Remember, check out the free trial in the description if you want to try this for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.